Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of our deck build for our sawmill. We are going to cut these off and level this all up today and put our cross pieces on, and then this here we'll put a 2x6 on top of this so that it'll be nice and sturdy, and then our sawmill deck itself will sit on top of that. So let's get started and get this deck leveled up so we can get the mill on it before too long. I've watched a lot of videos and tried to figure out what height I want this, and so overall folks are saying somewhere between 24 inches to 30. That's about, if it was sitting on a trailer, what the height would be. So I'm going to cut these. I'm going to see where 16 inches puts us and go from there. Alright, so we did all that figuring. I hope we're going to do this right. But I'm going to cut these off at 12 inches. We'll start with this one and then work from the center out. And that'll give us hopefully what we need here by the time we're done. So we're going to take all these cross pieces off and get them out of our way. The concrete should be set up pretty good in there now. Okay, so we're good and level there. Looks really good. So you want your top edge in good shape, nice and level. If I put these under here, that will hold that up, and I should be able to square it. Level it. I'm going to take this like that, and that should be okay. we're just going to level these up this way. I put this piece on here just to kind of be a third hand under there to keep this end up level. And then we'll get it to here and put the level on it, and should come out pretty good. Well, would you look at that? My help showed up.
Yeah, exactly.
My wife. She doesn't have her microphone on, so you can't hardly hear her. You have to come over here really close to me.
Alrighty. Yeah.
So I got those two. I'm about to level these two. You're just in time to give me a hand holding these ends up.
Okay.
But they're coming along. They're going to come out really nice, I think.
Yep.
So we're going to take this. We don't need a long one, I guess. We'll just take one of these and take it right your way.
Going on the top or the side?
Just going to lay it right down like that. Okay. Because this here is already level there. So we're just going to put a screw in here. So if you'll pick that up for me.
Pick it up on this end?
Yep. Higher. More. More. Up, up. Just a hair. No more than that. Just keep that right there. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to put the other one in.
Do you want me to hold where?
Or just tell me when that bubble's exactly in the middle.
Yeah, that looks good.
Right here, push over on that then and hold it in. Right here, hold this here, so I want to check it.
Yeah, I think you would.
Just push against that hard.
I
See
got
this one,
it.
got it? Yeah, so it's got to come up just a tap. That's perfect. Okay.
Okay.
So this should be good this way.
Should.
Okay, it's out a bit.
But you said you wanted to bring that one up, right?
So it's out a hair.
A hair.
So it's going to come up just like that. Which this one here has to come up just a bit. So let's adjust this one. Yeah. So you want to hold that for me? Got it? Okay, up just a tap. Okay. That put us just about perfect.
Good.
Oh, come on now, don't. I need another good screw.
Here.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm going to put braces on these. This just kind of makes sure nothing spreads apart that way. It's coming.
Nice to have a little section of level ground.
So now we are ready to put the 6x6s in here. Gotta measure halfway on them first. What's half of 5.5? There's one. So what I'm doing now, the rail for the sawmill, there's leveling feet on it, and the center of those levelers are 26 and 9/16 apart. I know, why didn't they just make it an even number, but they didn't. So the center of this 6x6 to the center of this, that distance has got to be 26 and 9/16, and that's what I'm doing right now, so that I can set the distance so that the sawmill will sit in the center of these 6x6s, because I don't want it off. I mean, I can get away with a little bit, but you don't want it off much. You want it running pretty true. So I'm just drawing the line right now, right through the middle of these. Normally I just chalk line it, but my chalk line is not here. So we do this instead. Takes a little more time, but oh well, not that much. And there we go. So now we'll measure from line to line, and this one over here is set. So now we'll set this one so that it's 26 and 9/16. Crazy number. Why not 26.5? Why not 26? I'm just using these Simpson strong tie tees, and that'll keep it together. The reason I'm securing these the way I am is there's a lot of movement and vibration and heavy stuff going on when you put a big log on your mill. So I do not want, once I attach it to here, I don't want any sway going on at all. I want it to be just as secure and tight as we can get it. Okay, we got her. These big old lag bolts, I'll show you. These here. Right there. That's what's going in. Again, I just don't want any movement in it. I want it to be really secure. It's getting dark on us. We're going to soon call it a day. We have been busy, for sure.